At the beginning of the 20th century, Raimundo de Madrazo remained faithful to his style, exquisite, refined portraits that were so highly valued by his contemporaries. But times were changing. Impressionists and Modernists came to the fore, and Madrazo's academic realism began to seem old-fashioned. Despite this, he retained a circle of clients in France and the United States, and his paintings continued to adorn private collections. In 1914, when World War I engulfed Europe, the artist settled in Versailles. Here he spent the last years of his life, retiring from high-profile exhibitions and salons, but remaining faithful to art. Raimundo de Madrazo died on September 15, 1920, leaving behind a huge legacy, hundreds of portraits and genre scenes that recreated the style and spirit of the European aristocracy of the 19th century. Today, his works are kept in the Museo del Prado, the Metropolitan Museum of Art, the Musée d'Orsay, the Carmen Thyssen Museum, and many other collections. Over time, they have once again attracted the attention of art historians, who have begun to rethink Madrazo's significance. From being a fashionable portraitist of his time, he has become one of the key guardians of the academic tradition. Friends, if you watched this video to the end, thank you very much. Your support is invaluable. Please don't forget that subscribing to the channel, likes, and comments greatly help in the development of our project. YouTube has also recently launched the Hype feature, and now you can vote for this video. Your vote will show the platform whether it is worth recommending this video to a wider audience. So check if you're subscribed to the channel and if this feature is available in your country. And be sure to vote for this video and share it with your friends. This is the best way to show your appreciation and, at the same time, make a significant contribution to the creation of new stories about great artists.